What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and concepts you need to know in order to break. Alright, so today's footwork move we're going to be working on is called our inside out pretzel. Alright, so before we get into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so the inside out pretzel is a variation of our basic pretzel, so if you don't know how to do that, make sure you go check out that video before coming to this one. Alright, so the inside out pretzel, the only thing that really changes is instead of doing a front knee sweep, we're going to do a back knee sweep. So we'll show you how this is done. So, same way, we're going to start with the original pretzel. I'm going to kick to my left, I'm going to sit down on it, again making sure I'm sitting on my heel, I'm not going flat-footed. I'm going to turn around, and for this one I do want you to keep your knee in the air just to make it a little bit easier. So from here, it's almost like I'm finishing a Zulu spin. Now from here, as I shoot my left leg through to do a back sweep, that's when I'm going to put my right knee down here. Okay, so my weight is on my left arm, and then from here I'm really just relying on my right knee to catch me so I can keep swinging. And again, whatever direction my leg needs to go, I need to lean away from it. Okay, so don't keep your body in. If I need my leg to go this way, I need to lean out here and then come out. Okay, so just this side again. This is going normal pretzel, kick out, around, turn around, keep your knee up from here. Keep your weight on this left arm, keep your weight onto your right knee as this left leg shoots through, around, and out. Okay, so from here, now we're gonna reverse it to the other side. So as this is coming back, this is where I'm gonna start prepping for my right foot. So right when it gets to the back, I wanna put my weight on that left foot so I can kick out with my right, sit on my right, again, sitting on my heel, turning around here. Again, now we're gonna keep our knee up. So keep your knee up. Now again, make sure you keep your weight on your right arm. Your left knee is gonna catch you as this right leg comes through. Now again, my right leg needs to go this way, so I need to lean away from it, and then I come to the back. Okay, so let's start over here again. So I just finished my back sweep here. I'm gonna go kick out with my right, sit down, turn around almost like a Zulu spin. From here, using my right arm, my left knee's gonna catch me, lean away from where your leg is going, and then back here. So I'm going left, down, around, back, sweep, and right, down, around, back, sweep, and back. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, left leg first. This goes left, down, around, back, sweep, finish, right, down, around, back, sweep, finish, left, down, around, back, sweep, finish, right, down, around, back, sweep, finish. All right, so once you have that down, let's put it together with counts. So we're gonna use the same counts we did for our basic pretzel. So your kick out and sitting down will be your one and, all the rest will be whole counts. Okay, so starting with my left. So 6, 7, 8, this is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, we really want to make sure that we're keeping our knee up, especially when we turn around for that fake Zulu spin. That way we have space to back sweep through it, okay? Other thing is, make sure you're balancing on your left arm, and your right knee is going to catch you if you're doing a left back sweep, and your right arm and your left knee is going to catch you if you're doing a right back sweep. And again, making sure we're opposing wherever our leg is going. So if I want my leg to go this way, I need to lean this way. Same thing if I circle, my body just always has to go the opposite way. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong in the video, and I'll be sure to give you comments, leave you props, and all good stuff like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it and what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!